Good evening, guys. Today problem is calculate the number of digits in product of 4 to the power of 11,111 into 5 to the power of 22,222. Here options are given: 22,222, 22,223, 22,224, 22,221. Here 4 can be written as 2 square to the power of 11,111 into 5 to the power of 22,222. Here as you know already, laws of exponents, a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So we multiply 2 and 11,111. You get 22,222 into 5 to the power of 22,222. From the laws of exponents, a power m into b power m is equal to ab whole power m. From this, we can write it as easily 2 into 5. That means 10 to the power of 22,222. So if you take 10 square, what is the value? 100. So simply, to get the number of digits, just you add 1 to the power. Like this, if you add 1 to the power, you will get the answer. So 22,222 plus 1 means 22,223. So here our option is B. So if you not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Thank you.